Alright, today we'll be replacing a stock Harley-Davidson squareback taillight with a Radiantz brand laydown lens. These are very simple. First thing you do, tools you'll need, possibly a set of dikes or wire cutters and a Phillips screwdriver, number 2. So the first thing you do is you need to take out the screws on either side of the taillight, like so. Okay, and the lens will come off. Now it is plugged in. There will be a clip on the bottom of the plug that you'll need to push in order to pull it out, and it'll come out like so. You want to set that down. Now, the housing is made specifically to fit right in there, so all you'll need to do is just take the plug on our taillight, plug it in where the other one was plugged, till it clips, and then screw it back on. It's that easy.
Oh.